sweetheart is little Angel, about 1.5 years old. Sweetheart, very gentle taking treats. On the petite side, this is Baby. She's about 8 years old. She's a treat hog. She's a great dog too. And this guy over here is only about 4 years old. He lost an eye, but he loves other dogs, and he actually begs for treats in a bit. Big, big, big! Big, big, big! Aww! And they're very good about taking treats. Come here, baby. Good girl. And Angel, I have not forgotten about you. Come on, Angel. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Come here. This guy's a little bit on the shy side, but very sweet. Thank you for kissing. Good girl.